It is a windy day today. What is up, YouTube? We are back for another ride today. It has been quite some time. I think maybe only 2 weeks, but it feels like a lot longer. It is by far the windiest day I've ever been out for a ride so far. So it should make for an interesting one. We're gonna take a trip down to the south end of the main freeway and do some more farm, country, rural riding instead of the mountain riding today. I mapped out this pizza joint in this random golfing town about 40 minutes away. It's literally, the town is just a golf course, a small shopping center, in a small community of houses, and nothing else for miles around. But I figured we'll take a ride down there, get some pizza, and then come back up. Before we do that, we have 2 bars of gas, so we gotta fill up on some gas. So on to the gas station, let's do it. See, I went out riding today because it is Monday, and I was hoping that there wouldn't be many cars out at 12 o'clock. But look at this. Of course there's cars out. You can't escape cars even in small towns. But it looks like we're gonna have to hop on the freeway here, even if only for a moment. So that kind of sucks, but hey, we'll do a cool little time lapse out of it. All right, this car has been so slow. Oh my god. Alright, begin time lapse of the main freeway. That was longer than I expected it to be. And that was way windier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, let's hope that this takes us with the wind. I had to do it. I had to. Look how beautiful that is. Just wide open. Look at all the stuff on the ground from the wind. Boom. Pizza, salads, sandwiches, hot wings, beer, and wine. Go for a pizza. It's not that bad. But now, look, we got branches falling. That's how windy it is. I think this is the first time I'm trying out the super wide view on the GoPro. So let me know what you think. If you like it better, or if you don't even notice the difference. Well, boys, we done missed our turn, and now I gotta turn around. So what I want to do, I'm gonna pull over, and I want to try to find another like cool little camera angle like I had last week. So last time, in the last video you guys saw, I had the camera here, pointed out over here, but I want to try something else. I was thinking maybe at the end here, but pointed up at me, or down, pointed so we could see the shifting going on. I also had a thought to put it onto the peg here, but it pointed back, but there's so much stuff here, I don't think it'd look cool. Let's try the shifting. So what you guys think? The one from this video I had at the end here, pointing at the shifter. The last shot you just saw was right here, pointed backwards. So I don't know how that came out. The shifter one probably looks pretty cool. This one, I have no idea. The front wheel one's always cool. That's a good one. I'll be using that more. It's time to head back. Let's go. You know what we haven't done yet, boys? Oh, you already know the time. Chilling. Only if I had cruise control, we can keep going. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be it for today's ride and today's video. Thank you so much for watching. It was a nice, chill, average ride. We went down to some golf town, Rancho Murrieta, had ourselves a pizza and a beer, cruised back up, dealing with really strong winds. I've never ridden in stronger winds before, so that was quite the experience. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, y'all, ride safe.